Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something exciting lined up for you. An engaging journey through some fantastic English movie clips. Whether you're looking to clarify and confirm, make plans, agree or disagree, or express your feelings, this video is packed with valuable lessons straight from the big screen.
I have no idea. It's the one thing Janice remembers clearly, and Ted wishes she forget.
I have no idea what the fuck you think, Tara, but I'll tell you what I think.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Exactly. But
That's too bad.
It's too bad.
It's too bad.
yes. Doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter to me.
Whatever. Doesn't matter. I don't really care. Just
Doesn't matter.
I don't understand. You understand.
Wait, I don't understand.
I don't understand why you're completely disregarding your signature color.
sorry. Could you repeat that, please?
Would you repeat that, please? Ma'am?
He's trying to kill me.
Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please?
I'm tired of you always snooping on me.
I'm tired of squats and waxing.
I'm tired of being clobbered.
I'm tired of eating alone in that.
I didn't cook today, and I know you're hungry.
Aren't you hungry?
Well, I hope you're hungry.
Oh, thank God! Wait, please, I need your help.
Okay, Rachel. I need your help.
I'm not sure exactly. Ford got in my head, and now I'm not sure I'm doing the right thing voting for Ruiz.
I am not sure you'd call them micro.
I'm not sure what happened.
I'm not sure.